Hi guys, Muaz here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. Today we have some Pokemon cards. And this Pokemon name is Morpeko, and I have a silver coin inside here. And we have a pack to open. Okay, and here's the back and here's the front. Now let's get opening. Here's the pack. You can see. Here's the code card. You can just, and here's the card, and here is the coin. Here's the coin. Okay. Now let's get open it with the pack. Now let's put this. Now let's open the card. Here's a code card. Two code cards. Okay. Here is a energy. Okay. Here's a trainer. Here's another trainer. And here's this. Now let's do a Pokemon. Here's now another one. It's a punch type, a dog type. Okay, and here's Grookey. Here's a fire type. And here's a punching type. Thank you for this video. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. Bye!